Hey guys, so I know that I haven't uploaded in quite a while. A lot's happened in the past couple months. But anyway, I have someone new. Yes, another new person here today. And he's the new boyfriend. You want to say hi?
Hi.
And I don't know how I get guys to do this for me, but he's gonna do chickening for me, and we'll see what happens because he's never done something like this, and I'm excited to see how it goes. So go ahead. He's a really he's very innocent. Oh man. So I guess I'll explain what happened over the past few months. The boy toy that I was seeing. Um, Long story short, we're not seeing each other anymore. Bless you. Obviously, we're not seeing each other anymore. Bless you. Bless you. Anyway, he wants me to keep talking, I guess. Yeah, we're not seeing each other anymore. Nothing. Bless you. Nothing crazy happened or anything. Just kind of drifted apart. And this guy I'm with now, we've been dating for about a month. We've known each other for about a month as well, but we met on reliable Tinder. And bless you. And he's really special. He's a lot different than my ex of so many years and the boy toy. And hopefully he'll be around for a while. Bless you. And you guys will get to see a lot more of him. You all said anything? No? Okay. Bless you. He did this for me on our first date. Because we were talking about stuff, stuff and things. And I always like to give people hints about what the fetish might be, because they've never heard of it before, usually. And he was like, well, I'm not going to do it until I know what it's going to do to me. And I told him, and he was like, that's so cute. I was like, that's adorable.
It is adorable.
Which is a different reaction than what most would expect. You feel good now?
I'll let you know. I think so.
Alright, well, we're on a time crunch anyway. I just wanted to give a quick little update and introduce him. So, hopefully he'll be around for a while.
Whoop.
We're planning on being around for a while anyway. Let me know what you thought of the video. Leave me some suggestions in the comments, or you can email me. He'll definitely be around, and he's very open and willing, and he'd do things too. But I hope you guys like him. Even if you don't, I do, so it doesn't really matter. But he'll be around either way. But anyway, my email and Tumblr will be below. Bye, guys.